Hey guys, today we have a very nice intercom video system, Hikvision DS KD8003 IMEI. I'm sorry, IME1. Very awesome camera. I've never seen an intercom have such a good wide angle, almost like a GoPro style camera. Very good setup. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. So basically you need a PoE switch. We have that back here. We have this plugged in through PoE. We have this device plugged in as well into that same switch. They all use PoE, which is really nice. Wait for it to get an IP address, so let these boot up. Give it a couple minutes for these to get a IP address from your DHCP server. Make sure you put it on a server. It's going to make the setup just a lot easier to do the DHCP setup. So once that's done, we can go ahead and start the configuration. So here we're going to do our password. So right now I'm just going to do a generic thing here. Hit OK. We're going to select our language. Hit next. So this is where we're going to enable our DHCP. Once it gets an IP address, it's going to turn off. So let's let that think for a minute. There we go. Now we have our IP. So hit next. And then so you guys see this a little bit better. Let's peel that off. So our station is indoor. That's fine. Hit next. And right away, this is our IP address for our intercom here. So go ahead and make sure that's selected and then hit finish. And just to make sure it works, we can live view and hit play, and boom, it works. Perfect. And hit back. And then the call, if you have other intercoms, like here we have a 4 setup, you can actually call the other that's just the recent call, so you can actually call those by the room number. So example, like I'm going to call room 2, and you can see it ringing right through. And then you can see there's a missed call now in there, so that's kind of nice. And then to factory reset it, go into settings, configurations icon, and then hit configuration, that default password, which is 3/8, 3/9, hit OK. Go to the refresh symbol and do restore all, and that's going to completely wipe everything and start it like you just got it out of the box. And then hit OK, and it'll restart and do all that for you. Alright. Okay, something I just learned, setting these up, you need to make sure your master, let's go into configuration here, 1, 2, 3. Your master intercom is set for indoor station. And then when you have multiple other devices that you want to add to this, you need to go into settings for those, and you need to make sure 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that the type is set for indoor extension. So you can do indoor extension, so you got to change your station type to that. And then once you get that done, then you want to go to the the configuration area. So go to the wizard, and then same here, go to the wizard, and then English, and then we're doing DHCP, so that's fine. And hit next. And then this is going to be device number 3, so we're going to change that to 3. And then hit next. And then to make sure you select the right device, you want to find the serial number. So to find that, hit back, go to device information on the main tablet that you're connecting to, and the last 2 digits or 3 digits is 920. So we come over here, find that 920, hit finish, and then that's it. And then back out. So you can see we're at extension number 3. This should be number 1. And then over here we need to do English. That's fine. Next. And then this is set for number 2. So we hit next. And then see 920. hit finish. That one's done. So back out of there. So now when we push our call button here, it should ring all three intercoms. And there you go. Ringing all three. And then either one can answer. I really like these intercoms by Hikvision because the quality you're getting out of this video intercom is just so crystal clear. I mean, I just love going to live view and viewing that footage. It's like you're looking at a GoPro. It is just such good quality. I love these, and the fact that you can go on each device and do the same feed and see it all is really awesome too. They use PoE, so you don't have to worry about running two different cables. You run one Cat6, Cat5 cable, have a PoE switch in the background, and it's just that simple. I love these setups. They're a little pricey, but I found a really good deal. This was only $350 on B&H Photo actually, and then I found these on there too. These normally go for $400 to $500. I found these for $380 a piece on that same website. So really good deals. So yeah, and like I said, this uses PoE too. There's that back connector, and if you have an alarm system, if you want this to trigger like a switch for an elevator or a door, you can do that as well with these. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend this setup if you're doing any kind of intercom system between floors, or just trying to do some kind of access control and control people from coming in and out of your building. I definitely highly recommend these.